All the best YouTube channels do giveaways. They're giving away cool stuff. They're giving you lots of money, lots of really neat things. And this channel is going to join the ranks with the rest of them. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. Yes, you heard correctly. This channel is going to start doing giveaways. I've been trying to find a great way to do giveaways in the past, and we've done a few giveaways. The problem that I had was we were finding that people weren't true community members. They weren't true fans of the channel. They weren't you guys, the people watching this video saying, hey, I really appreciate what you're doing here, Gears and Tech. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. So that's all changing today. Starting today, we are going to be doing random giveaways within our videos. Just a regular video, unsuspecting. You already see us doing like product reviews and stuff like that. And if it's a product that I don't need to keep after, we'll just do a giveaway. We'll give it away. I'm going to announce the person that will win that item in that video. That raises the question, well, how do I pick the person that's going to win? It's very, very simple. I want to reward you guys, the guys who subscribe to this channel, the guys who watch the content, who have clicked the bell and said, I want to see the videos that you're making. I want to see what you have to offer. So that's what we're going to do. In the middle of the video, at some point in the video, we will just stop the video and I will announce somebody from the channel who is already subscribed, who is already taking an active role in the community. And that is by commenting, by posting, by sharing, and all of that. Now you're going to say, well, how do I know? I know. So for fun, let's do a giveaway right now. So we are going to, now keep in mind, let's keep your expectations in check here. I'm not Mr. Beast, okay? I don't make millions of dollars on videos. I'd like to, and if I do, then the giveaways will get a lot fancier and a lot nicer. But for now, this giveaway is going to be for a $25 Amazon gift card. Okay, that's what I can offer right now. The nice thing about the Amazon gift card is I can deliver it to your email address. I'm going to show you exactly the process that I go through to figure out who would be the giveaway winner. In this case, it's going to be an Amazon gift card. And then we'll talk about how you can make sure that you're eligible for the next giveaway. So at my computer, when it's time to pick a winner, I'm going to just pull up my YouTube dashboard, which you can see right here. I'm going to go to the comments page right here. This pulls up all the recent comments that have been made on my channel. This is across the entire channel, so this is not just a specific video. Then I have the ability to add filters here. So I'm going to add a filter for public subscribers, just like this. And for right now, the way that I'm going to pick it is just whoever has made a comment, the most recent comment on any of my videos that is a public subscriber. So I can see the list here, all of the subscribers to this channel. I can see it right here. These guys are all subscribers. So for example, Photon Debugger 45 put a comment 7 days ago. Unfortunately, we're not going to pick him, and it doesn't have to be a good comment. I'm not just looking for good comments. So in this case, Gaming Legend is the last public subscriber. Gaming Legend. Now, let's just click on his profile so we can see Gaming Legend. You, with your 118 subscribers and your 8 videos, and wow, you got 3,000 views. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. You've been picked for the $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is reach out to me. If you're not sure how to reach out to me, all you have to do is go to my YouTube channel. And if you go to any of my videos, it doesn't matter which video, go to any of my videos, and in the description, what you will find is a link to my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter. You can go to any one of those and then reach out to me and say, hey, Anton, you picked me as the winner for your contest. Well, I'll ask you a few questions to validate that you are actually who you say you are, or we'll figure that out. And then once we've figured it out, you will get a $25 Amazon gift card. So that's really all there is to winning. All you've got to do is comment on anything. It doesn't matter what video it is, just put comments on the videos and be a subscriber. If you're already a subscriber and you're commenting on our content, on our videos, then the rest of it is gonna have a little bit of luck. We're really only looking at who the last subscribed commenter was at the time that we filmed the video. Now, you can try to figure out what times we actually film the videos so that you can try to game this so that you'll be the top commenter at that time. But I don't have a set filming schedule. I film when I can, I edit when I can, and it's all over the place, all different times of days. Some of you may have seen me live streaming as late at 1 in the morning, my time. I'm in Mountain Standard Time in case you want to try and guess. But our video is released 3 times a week, sometimes 4 times a week. That doesn't mean that I'm filming 4 times a week. Sometimes I sit down and just film everything all in one big shot whenever I can. The other thing you're going to want to make sure is that you've hit the bell on our videos, because the winner is going to be named in the video, and then you have to know that you're a winner and then reach out to us. I will consider tagging you guys or trying to help make you aware that you've been a winner, but again, we want the true community members to win. I don't want some person who's just commenting just to try and win a contest by, spamming the comments. We want good, high quality comments, and we'll find you. Now, why would I do this? Why would I give away stuff just randomly? Well, number one, because, kind of YouTube makes people expect that, because you've got guys like Mr. Beast running around giving away everything he makes, and that's really awesome. I think that it helps to reward the community. Really, for me, that's how I look at it. How can I reward you guys for being a part of the community? I appreciate you watching this content. I appreciate you watching the videos. I appreciate you commenting and sharing your experience. I see a lot of guys in the comments helping each other out, and I want to help kind of promote that more. And this is a way that I think we can do that, to where, we're not gonna announce a giveaway ahead of time, so that people will just do it naturally, not because they're trying to win something, because they want to help out. And then we can pick people at random to reward them for being part of this community, for embracing it, and for helping this community grow. So I think this is the best way at this time where we can reward that behavior. And I'm really excited to do this. I'm excited for this giveaway and to show you guys how we're gonna do future giveaways. Stay tuned. Make sure, if you're not subscribed, that you subscribe to the channel down below, because you would be eligible with all of the comments you make. It's an eligibility for the next contest. And actively comment, share your experiences, share your stories, share your thoughts. This is the way. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.